And now, the ultra-athletic Montez Ford wipes out Gallows.
Grief. Oh, no.
Sky high. Tag. Ford looking to fly. Montez Ford.
Can't believe it.
Happy New Year. Cover. Count. Street Profits. It's no fluke, King.
Here are your winners, the Street Profits!
I am here to announce my entry into the Women's Royal Rumble match. I know. It's exciting and it's surprising. Me in the Women's Royal Rumble.
It's the New Year countdown.
Claymore kick. Hawkins taken out. There's Ryder. Zack Ryder. Future shock DDT.
Grief.
Drew McIntyre has been an unstoppable force since coming to Monday Night Raw. And Drew McIntyre into the cover has just pinned the former Raw Tag Team Champions. Ricochet perched up high on the top.
Oh, wait a minute.
Again! Zelina Vega inserting herself into the match, opening the door. Hammerlock DDT, center of the ring, covered by Andrade, and Andrade steals one. Oh!
Man, I think I saw the tooth fly.
What a kick from Aleister Black. Murphy may be out.
You know what big difference is between you and I? You're patient. I'm not.
Oh, the Viper strikes!
Look at this! He's not hurt at all!
Looking for Murphy's Law. Aleister Black able to roll through, shoulders down, center of the ring. Murphy able to kick out at two. Black Mass connected. What's Aleister Black thinking?
He's not finished with Buddy Murphy. He wants more.
A second time a Black Mass connects. Black into the cover, and Buddy Murphy fades to Black.
And oh man.
Here's your winner, Aleister Black!
Seth.
The eyes of Samoa Joe tell the story.
Hold on, Joe, don't do this.
Oh, and Joe taking it right to Seth Rollins. Jab after jab, peppering Rollins.
Get out of there, Messiah.
Coquina clutch.
Oh no! Joe, stop it, he's the Messiah!
Joe's got the Coquina clutching from behind. The numbers advantage. AOP back on top. Oh! Owens with an equalizer.
Thank goodness, here comes some security.
Rollins talked about force.
No, don't do it! Ah!
Kevin Owens risking it all to get his hands on the AOP, and Owens still punching away.
Come on, security, do your
Joe's
job!
back out there.
I am so sorry, but this just can't go on. The love of my life is right there. I wouldn't have made it through this year if it wasn't for our love.
I've never touched this woman my entire life.
Oh, come on!
I don't know what she's talking about.
I'm not talking about Bobby. I'm talking about Lana!
By the power vested in me, by the state of Connecticut, Lana, Bobby, I hereby pronounce you. What?
King! It's Rusev!
He's crashing the wedding!